What if someone tried to kill a US president and both guns failed at the same time? This really happened. In 1835, President Andrew Jackson was leaving the Capitol building. Suddenly, a man stepped out and aimed a pistol at him. Click, nothing happened. The man pulled out a second pistol. Click again. It also failed. 2 guns, 2 chances, 0 shots fired. Jackson was 67 years old and furious. Instead of running, he charged at the attacker with his cane and started beating him. People nearby rushed in and stopped the fight. Later, experts tested the pistol. It worked just fine. But on that day, both misfired. Many people called it luck, some called it fate. But Andrew Jackson became the first U.S. president to survive an assassination attempt because 2 guns refused to fire. History can be wild. Follow for more U.S. history.